Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the like-new GM certified 2017 Chevy Trax LT, stock number Z9959XX. Only 1,000 miles on this Trax. It's a one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, crimson metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's also a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, and with only 1,000 miles, very clean inside and out. Split seat folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 1,000 miles. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's also Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. That is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials and under the hood. This Trax has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates. An average of 25 miles a gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway. And again, only 1,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.